We're going to start the day at this Yue Hai Qing temple, right at this fabulous central business district of Singapore. I managed to arrive very early in the morning, just before the temple opens, and this is the first shot that I took with the caretaker of the temple as opens the door to the temple. And I really like this photograph because of the staring eyes of the caretakers looking at me while I take this photo. It's really interesting to have such a monument temple right in the center of the central business district. Look at around this area of this temple, it's all the high-rise buildings and banks. Right here we have the Yue Hai Qing temple. In Chinese temple, incense sticks are stuck upright into large bronze or ceramic censers filled with sand, ash, or sometimes rice. So typically found on altar tables or in the temple's courtyard in front of the main hall. This temple was built back in the years of 1820s, and this morning we have a few visitors to the temple. After my short visit to the temple, I'm back again to my usual comfort zone for my street photography. These multiple layers of glass actually makes for a very interesting refractive shot. Shortly after, I walked to Collyer Quay, which is a prestigious financial hub close to the landmark like the Clifford Pier and the Malayan Park. In this year, Singapore is expected to attract up to 18 million tourists coming into Singapore. And the Marina Bay Sands is one of Singapore's most iconic integrated resort and must-visit location for tourists. As a part with you today for my street photography. Perhaps street photography isn't just about capturing what we see today, or rather we ask ourselves, what kind of world we are capturing for our tomorrow.